I know I said that I was going to keep these light gray wheels on my Model Y, stealth gray, because it looks pretty good with great contrast. However, I decided to put the hubcaps on, so I'm going to do it right now. See how I look. All right, I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks very good. All right, I'm going to do the rest. All right, this is the finished product. Actually, the black with the stealth gray is actually pretty good. This is a much cheaper alternative than the rims, of course, even though I do have a set of 20-inch rims that I had on my old Model Y, which is right now in my garage. But I'm gonna rock these for a while, and I'm probably gonna put snow tires on the other one, or vice versa. I have to decide. But I'm gonna rock these for a little while until I scuff them all up. All right, peace.